Venezuela sits atop the world's largest proven oil reserves, approximately 300 billion barrels. Yet production has collapsed from 3.5 million barrels per day in the 1990s to under 800,000 today. The reason isn't just mismanagement, it's math. Venezuela's reserves are predominantly extra-heavy crude from the Orinoco Belt, thick, sulfurous oil that requires specialized refineries with coking units, diluent for transportation, and upgrading facilities. While Saudi Arabia produces light crude for $8 to $15 per barrel, Venezuelan heavy crude costs $50 to $70+ per barrel given current infrastructure decay. Here's the problem. Oil is currently trading around $60 per barrel. Venezuelan heavy crude sells at a discount, roughly $40 to $50 per barrel, due to its poor quality. Venezuela is losing $10 to $20 on every single barrel they produce. This isn't a temporary dip. Even if Venezuela solved every domestic challenge, rebuilt PDVSA, restored refineries, revived technical expertise, production costs would still run $30 to $40 per barrel under optimal conditions. They'd need sustained oil prices above $70 to $80 just to break even. Now consider the investment opportunity. Spend $50 to $100 billion rebuilding infrastructure. Wait 5 to 10 years for construction, then produce oil that loses money at current prices while hoping demand doesn't collapse as the world electrifies transportation. This is why China, Russia, and Western oil companies have walked away despite sweetheart deals. The carbon-intensive nature of heavy crude processing, producing 30% more emissions than conventional refining, means climate regulations will only worsen the economics. Major oil investments require 20 to 30-year payback periods, but global oil demand is projected to peak within a decade. Venezuela isn't just facing challenges making its oil profitable. At $60 per barrel, it's not profitable and probably never will be. 300 billion barrels of stranded assets, resources with market value on paper, but negative value in practice. Venezuela's oil wealth has become its curse.